You know, out of the 100 of you that watch this video, maybe one of you is going to do this. But that one, you're going to be very, very successful. The first thing that you have to do if you want to make money, if you want to be successful in this world, is set goals. When was the last time you literally set a goal and were strategic about it and wrote it down? Did you continue to write that same goal down every single day? Now, did you figure out in that goal, let's say you want to make $750,000 a year, what are the things that you have to do each and every day to make 750 grand a year? It really is that easy, yet nobody wants to do it. Everybody wants to be fit, but nobody wants to have a goal. Everybody wants to be rich, but nobody wants to have a goal. Life is as simple as you setting the goal, writing it down, and figuring out what you need to do each and every day to achieve it. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.